welcome to a vlog. Today's Wednesday. Currently going to just go pick up some pizza because we don't really have much to eat at the house. I just thought about it. I was supposed to be cooking dinner tonight and I don't have the ground beef for the dinner that I was gonna make. We might just be eating pizza for dinner. I was gonna make some egg rolls, but like taco style egg rolls, and I need the ground beef to make the taco meat and I don't have it. So I need to just do like a full grocery order though. So anyway, I don't know if this vlog is gonna go up before the sale is over. Domino's has a sale right now and their pizzas are $9.99 for like any crust, any topping. I also had a coupon for the free Parmesan bites. So I got 2 pizzas and Parmesan bites for like 20 bucks. So on the agenda today, I'm gonna try to get my son's room clean because his room is a mess, but I'm not cleaning it. I'm gonna sit in there and supervise him cleaning it. I want to finish my grocery order, even if I don't go pick it up today, because I might be past the cutoff time, but I do want to at least get the grocery order finalized. So Fatty's room, grocery order, did my hair. Let me know what y'all think. The little Bobbiana ponytail. This is that Bobby Boss hair, the hair that's synthetic, but it's only like $15 for a 3-pack. I like it. I like it. Like, I feel like if I'm only gonna wear my hair for a week, I'm not spending all that money to go buy some bundles, especially because the bundles that are reasonably priced are super thin. Like, you get them and you can't do nothing with them. So I'm not sorry. I'll keep buying the synthetic bundles and using those for my ponytails. Thank you very much. And they look better to me. I mean, granted, they do get tangled easier. However, I'm only keeping them in for a week. So if that, because sometimes I don't even keep them in for a full week. Sometimes I take them out after like 4 or 5 days. So if I'm only gonna wear them for a few days, I don't really think that that's a problem. Oh, okay, so I do have a couple of things that I got in PR that I need to try on, and that's pretty much it for today. I'll see you back at the house once I get my food. Okay, back at the house, got the pizza. So I got 2 pizzas. So both of them are pan crust. Yeah, I got sausage, bacon, mushroom, and extra cheese on one, and then the other one I got Alfredo sauce, chicken, spinach, feta, and Parmesan. The kids are downstairs eating. I wonder if that's my Amazon package. I don't know, it won't open. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna watch Godfather of Harlem and I will check in with y'all in a little bit. Me having time to myself didn't last very long because this little toddler, of course, found her way to me. Okay, sit down. Despite me feeling like I need a nap, I'm about to try on this PR. No, stay up here on the bed. Here, you want your juice?
I don't want it.
First package. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name of the company. FLV Sun. No, does the FL stand for Florida? Florida versus Sun? I don't know. They sent me a pair of jeans. Okay, so I have been looking for some jeans that are mom friendly, and I think these might be it. They look a little big. I don't know, but let me try them on and then find out that they actually fit perfectly and I'm just a little big and in denial. Okay. Okay, they fit in the waist. I think that they're supposed to be like a loose fit. These are the jeans. They do fit in the waist. I think these will actually be really cute with the right top and with the right shoes. I think I can make these work because they are supposed to be like a loose fit, a loose fitting jean. What do you think? The next thing I got in PR was some tank tops, and they're like the slimming tank tops. This is the brand ATT Lady. For these items, I'll leave the link in my description. So I got the tank tops in a size medium, and it comes with 2 different colors. There's a nude color and black. I was reading through the reviews before I picked my size, and people were saying that they were true to size. So let's see. Okay, so this is the black tank. So this is what it looks like. I ordered a size medium. I probably should have gotten a small because I feel like a small probably would suck me in a little bit better. I feel like ordering your true size might not be the best option. If you order a size down, it'll probably snatch you a little bit better because What do you think, Tanea?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, she likes it. I think that these jeans would eat with like a bodysuit. Now that I have this tank top on with it, like, I think a bodysuit would.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Or like maybe like an oversized like crop top sort of vibe.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
You love it?
Me too.
It's cute.
I like it.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. I thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they pre-knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry.
Oh, you could take down the happy birthday sign. Oh. It's not your birthday anymore. Your birthday was over 2 months ago.
It was like nice design.
Still a ways to go in the boys' room, but we did at least get the closet cleared out. We still have to clean under the bed, which is a project for another day, not today. Get the dresser organized. I need to go through his drawers and... Sir, could you please stop? Still needs to go through his drawers and get rid of a bunch of old clothes. Shoes need to be organized. This is trash that's going out. I feel like we got some stuff accomplished today. It doesn't look like we got a lot accomplished today, but it's progress. We're not done. We'll get some more done tomorrow. This is all the stuff that we're getting rid of that's in the hallway, except for his bedding. That stuff is not trash, but all of this stuff is trash. So we did get through a lot. It may not seem like we got through a lot, but we did. But anyway, I'm sick of him and he's sick of me. So I'm leaving. Toodles. No. I'm sick of you. Good morning. It's the next day. And I did do my grocery order yesterday, like I said I was going to. So I'm about to go to Walmart right now and go pick that up. My battery is on 15%, thanks to my son. Fatty went and I ain't gonna say he stole my phone, but he took my phone without my permission. And I think that he was trying to figure out how to change the time limits for his VR, because I have it set. He has 4 hours per day. I feel like that's plenty. I don't know if that's what he was actually trying to do or not. He was in the Meta app. He was like in there doing something. I don't know what he was doing. He didn't change the limit. He didn't. So if that's what he was trying to do, he didn't figure it out. Let me check into my pickup order. And today is a work day. I have to work today from 8:30 to 5:30. So I'm not gonna be able to vlog that long. However, I did want to at least pick you guys up so I can do a grocery haul. Hold on, because I can't see out these windows. And now the sun's out. But anyway, I'm gonna go grab these groceries. Okay, I'm back at the house and I'm gonna have to go through this grocery haul really quickly because I only got like 10 minutes before I have to start work. But I just remember I never showed y'all my pantry. So this is what the pantry is looking like right now before I do my restock. Is the light dead? The light's not on. Okay, there we go.
So I have a motion sensor light in there, and I think the battery is about to die. Okay, so basically y'all seen the reorganization already, but y'all haven't seen it painted. So I painted my shelves. So this little support wood right here, I painted that black, and then everything else I painted it white. It's the same color as our cabinets. And then we started redoing our bathroom. So let me show you what our bathroom is looking like. Ta-da! Okay, so I think I'm thinking about taking this out, right? Okay. This shelf is still the same, but I took the stuff down that was on here and I'm redoing this. So I have to get to the rest of the stuff for the shelf. This is new. So we put in a new light fixture. We switched out the mirror, put in a new faucet with a stopper. We switched out the hardware here. So we have black hardware now. So this shelf we got from Walmart, and then the bins come separately. But well, they come with it, but you have to pay for the bins separately. Put in a new towel rack. Changed out the outlet covers and the light switch covers too. Changed that out to black. Got this from Walmart too. I think this is from Walmart. My son stuck his finger in it. That was nobody but him. I already know who it was. The lights came from Home Depot. The mirror came from Target. The faucet came from Walmart. And the hardware came from Walmart too. This is what it looks like right now. So I'm not done yet. I still have to get a few more things to go in here, but it looks so much better. Oh, the biggest thing, the biggest change is that we painted the bathroom. The bathroom used to be green, so we did paint the bathroom. So that's the biggest thing. But yeah, let me hurry up and go get these groceries put away. So I just got a bunch of paper towels. I always get the little 68-cent ones. Some LaCroix Unpure. What is it? It's not Unpure. It's LaCroix Pure Water, the one that's unflavored. Some cheese. This is to go in a salad. This is also for a salad. I got some ham lunch meat and some white turkey lunch meat. Apple Jacks Captain Crunch, Fruity Pebbles, and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cherry tomatoes, or what is this? No, these are grape tomatoes. These are supposed to go in a salad as well. Some plant-based butter. It's got animal crackers, fudge stripes, chips deluxe, and the Funnable fruit snacks. Strawberry banana body armor, family pack of chips, some honey buns, the big box, white bread, salad. Like I said, I'm gonna make a salad, so I got the premium romaine, fruit punch for the kids, another thing of fruit punch for the kids, toaster strudels, honey butter biscuits. These are so good. These are my favorite biscuits. Some fruit for the baby, Uncrustables, 2.5 gallons of milk, apple juice. These are just some boxes from last night. They just need to be broken down and put in the recycling. Saltine crackers for the salad. I like crackers in my chef salad. Blueberry bagels, cinnamon rolls, ground beef. This was the ground beef that I was missing, so I can make those. Taco style egg rolls, goldfish, the flavor blasted ones, blueberry breakfast corn dogs, corned beef hash, and some chicken for the dog because I make her dinner. The only other thing that I got was a new toilet bowl scrubber for the bathroom. So I got the one that has like the cover on it, so you don't have to see the nasty toilet bowl scrubber.